Polar parrot chicklets, fries in 2 weeks. Day 1, it is mating time. Have you ever witnessed two fishes carrying out the beauty of nature? The mother laying the eggs and the father fertilizing it. A true beauty. So the work has been done and all are fertilized healthy eggs. You can see. So it is day 2. Both the parents are guarding their eggs from the other fishes. The mother is also fanning the eggs to control the temperature and the humidity of the water. So it is day 4, the eggs began to toggle and I separated the father. It is day 7, I separated the mother with the eggs. The father seemed much tensed and last time it ate all the eggs. So better to keep the mother with the eggs. So it is day 8. I separated the mother and the eggs. She also seemed much tensed. I have also introduced a heater, an automatic heater, and set the temperature to 28 degrees Celsius. It is an ideal temperature for the fries to become more mature and healthy. 24 to 28 degrees is the temperature where you can grow up your fries. It's day 11. It seemed all good. The fries are free swimming and giving them food they are eating. I'll show you how to feed your fries. So this is how to feed your fries. Take some pellets, the usual fish food, crush them till dust and feed your fishes, feed your fries. Those are easier to swallow. See how I am doing it. I had some of the bacteria inside this water, so I didn't have to feed them live food for the first few days. Usually people will tell you, recommend you to feed them with inflorescia, whatever, but those are not actually needed. You can even feed them with yolks, egg yolks, or your fish pellets. Day 13, as you can see, all the fries are healthy. None of the fries are dead. None of the fries are unhealthy. All are okay. And I have passed 6 days without the mother feeding them pellets. It is day 14. As you can see, all the fishes have grown up little big. You can see prominent fins and the tail. So that's all for now. I have to feed those fishes now. Bye. If you want, I can share videos of some of the next days until the fries grow.